Hi guys, my name is Arisha and this is my sister
Zainab.
And before I continue the video, please subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon so you can never miss a video. So today we are going to make a delicious recipe which is an all-time favorite, a snack or a lunch or a breakfast. We are going to make cheese sandwiches, and the ingredients you need to make these cheese sandwiches are we are going to need are seeded bread or any bread of your choice, butter, cheese, but we are going to use Red Leicester cheese, cheddar cheese and mozzarella, and some spring onions to top it up. So now we are going to put all of the cheese on one side of the bread, and then we are going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds so the cheese can melt. So now we're going to pop the slice of bread into the microwave so the cheese melts. So now our cheese is beautifully melted, and now what we are going to do, we're going to put the spring onions in. So now our cheese toast is done. The cheese is beautifully melted. The toast is all crisp and soft in the inside. So if you liked our video, give it a big thumbs up and bye!